In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unstake ETH from Coinbase. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or a seasoned investor, it's essential to understand how you can manage your staked assets efficiently. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, start by opening the Coinbase app on your smartphone or visit the Coinbase website using your preferred browser. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. If you're using the app, check that you've got the latest version installed to ensure you're getting the best experience possible. This will also help you avoid any potential glitches that might arise from having an outdated version. Next, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice an icon that looks like three horizontal lines. This is commonly referred to as the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open a list of options. You'll find this menu to be a hub of different functionalities available within the app or website, making navigation so much easier. Now from the menu, you'll want to navigate to the Earn or Staking section. This is the area where you manage all your staked cryptocurrencies. The naming might slightly vary, but the purpose remains the same. It's where you find details about your earning through staking. Once you're in the right section, your next task is to spot Ethereum or ETH in the list of your staked assets. Ethereum is one of the prominent options available for staking, and if you've invested in it, it should appear in your list. Tap or click on Ethereum to proceed further. Here you'll find various options related to your ETH. What you're looking for is an option that says Unstake. Click on Unstake to begin the process of freeing up your ETH from staking. After selecting Unstake, the next screen will prompt you to enter the amount of ETH that you want to unstake. Think carefully about how much you'd like to release, whether it's a partial amount or all of it, and input the proper figure. It's always a good idea to double check your entry to avoid any mistakes. Once you've entered the desired amount, you'll need to confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that unstaking isn't instantaneous. There is an unbonding period you'll have to wait for, which is a built-in time delay before your ETH is fully available again. Be patient, as this process can take several days. Also, a gentle reminder, during this process you will incur gas fees. These are transaction fees required for processing and confirming your unstake request on the Ethereum network. And there you have it, you've successfully begun the process to unstake your ETH from Coinbase. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, consider subscribing for more cryptocurrency tips and guides. Have a great day.